Hello, good afternoon. My name is Edith Carolina Rodriguez Camacho. I'm a student at the Technological Institute of Saltillo. Today, I'm going to talk about addiction to social networks in Mexico. In recent times, the use of social networks has been significantly perceived. In addition, the pandemic and the confinement derived from the pandemic have caused this used to increase even more. Social networks such as TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp are used by millions of people around the world every day of the week. This use on many occasions can bring various problems. One of them is the addiction or excessive use of these platforms. Addiction to social networks has grown exponentially in recent months in Mexico, as it was found that 77% of internet users in our country connect to the network more than once a day, and more than half at that percentage, it does at least 2 hours or day. According to the results of a survey conducted by UVM, Universidad del Valle de Mexico, Facebook is the social network with the most users, followed by Twitter and YouTube in third place. There are the symptoms we will have to look at. The most frequent are is spend more time online. Psychological dependency is when you need to have a few likes to be happy. Tolerance, you need to spend more time or post um, more to get the same feeling. In addition, other symptoms may also appear, such as emotional instability, impulsiveness, the need to always have exciting or strong emotion, etc. In my opinion, I feel that the pandemic affected children more because in 2 years they grew up locked up. The only purpose of entertainment was mobile devices and the internet. They got used to being locked up and being at home with this device that now it is very difficult for them to live with another another because they depend on them. One of the pieces of advice I would give parents will be the play with them. If they played, they wouldn't have to depend on a artifact. Mm, that they take them out for a walk to go around the house. If they did this activity, the children would not be so boring, and they would also be to get out of their social isolation, meet more children, more people, talking and meeting with the family. I think that will make a difference. One psychologist said to watch how long I use my mobile apps, so I can figure out which app apps I use the most and start rationing their usage. Um, and that's it.